This looks stupid.
My glasses.
Julian, be quiet. Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I'm going to show you what I got for Christmas. But before that, I also want to wish you guys a happy holidays. If you know you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you had a happy holiday season and enjoyed time with your family nonetheless. And let's go ahead and show you what I got. My little sister Danica got me this cute little purse from Call It Spring. Just a cute little brown purse, and it does come with a strap if you want to wear it on your shoulders. Has some pockets inside as well. That's really cute. And my little sister also got me some slippers. I guess she was tired of looking at the raggedy ones that I wear, so she got me some new ones. And my little brother went all out for me this year. He got me the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. I've actually tried this before, but the color that I have is just a tad too dark for me. So I wanted to try this one. It's in Deep 67 Cool. And I love this foundation. Like, a little bit really goes a long way. You don't need too much at all. That's what it looks like. I'm sure most of you have seen it. It's absolutely amazing. If you have oily skin, I would definitely recommend this one, and it is full coverage. My dad got me a bottle of wine, which you can clearly see I've started on it already. It's called Dr. Henry John Linsman. It's a Chardonnay. So yeah, got me a bottle of wine. He also got me 2 lip glosses by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this one is in the color, I think it's sepia or sepia. That's what it looks like. And it smells so good. Give it a swatch. Very pretty nude. And the other one is in the color Toffee. Again, it's a nude. I'll give it a swatch too. Ooh. Ooh, they're pretty. There's the 2 swatches. And now my mother, listen, I'm a little up there in age, but I still have a stocking. Like, my brother has one, my sister has one, I have one too, and I would continue to have one regardless of my age. So my mom put a few things in my stocking. Shouldn't be eating these, but she put them in there anyway. Some chocolates, and then she got me a brush to wash the dishes and some socks from the Body Shop. This smells delicious. I wanted to get it a little while ago, and she's like, no, don't get it, because she already got one for me. Let's just open it up. How's it open? It comes with these 2 things here. This is the mango shower gel, and then this one is the body butter. Smell it, Juju. It smells so good. It's mango. He's like, that don't smell good.
Smells good.
And I love calendars because I'm a little old school, I like to write things down on calendars. So she got me a calendar. And for my gifts, she got me some unmentionables. I'm not gonna hold them up and show you, but she got me some pretty things. And this red top. Kind of shorter in the front and longer in the back. It's by Vera Moda. And this beautiful green sweater. I was eyeballing this in the store, and she kind of like deterred me from getting it because I guess she wanted to get it, but I think this will look really nice with like a dark pair of jeans. She got me the cutest pair of earrings too. They're real itty bitty, like, look at how cute these earrings are. I don't even know if you can see. They're so cute. And then she also got me this beautiful necklace. It's very, very blingy. It's beautiful. And then I treated myself to this sweater from Forever 21. I don't usually wear this color, but I wanted something a little bit different. And I like the back. Look at the back. It's really different at the back. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it. And the greatest gift of all that I received this Christmas is this. I'm engaged.
Yeah.
Julian proposed to me on Christmas Day, so I'm now a fiance. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Thank you. So that's everything to what I got for Christmas. Let me know what you received for Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. I definitely like to know. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And if you enjoyed this one, hit the red button so that you can see more. And also give me a thumbs up. And then if you have any other questions, of course you guys know what to do. I love to see your comments. Put them down below. What do you have to say?
Nothing.
Oh, I thought you had to say something.
Nah.
I thought you had to say something because you're like, okay.
I'm just here to chill.
All right, thank you lovelies so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Peace.
Bye.